How to mount the Fortis folding clasp onto a Fortis silicone strap. Welcome to the Fortis workshop. In this short video, you will learn how to mount your Fortis silicone clasp on your silicone strap. For this, you need a watchmaker tool. Guide the spring bar through the hole provided in the silicone strap. Now you put the strap on the clasp and fit it with the watchmaker tool. You do the same on the other side. Check that everything is firmly mounted. Your strap is still too long? Our silicone straps are divided into several segments. At these points, you can make the cuts one by one. You will find instructions in the next video. Do you also have a technical question? Just ask us in the comments below. For more tutorials and exciting stories, make sure you subscribe to our channel.